So we've moved on from Euroa, the first 2 weeks of grape grafting, and we're now over at Hillsville. But we've gone through, we've got the van at Hillsville, and we've got the afternoon to fill in, so we've come out to Marysville. And we're up at Stephenson's Falls. See what this is about. Fill the afternoon and we start our grafting again tomorrow at 8 AM. Another 2 weeks till the 7th, and then I think we're venturing across into South Australia, Adelaide. So this is Stephenson's Falls, just outside Marysville, as you can see on the map. And we'll go and check it out. So at this point, that's the view of Stephenson's Falls. It's 700 metre walk-in from the car park just behind us. Level walking, easy to do, paved all the way in. That's Stephenson's Falls up there, and you can walk up into Keppel Lookout up this way, so you can go up those stairs there. Takes you 800 metres, or sorry, top of falls, 800 metres, yeah, 15 to 30 minutes up and back. And Keppel Lookouts, 5.2 cable flight also. Not sure what's going to go through this way, but we'll have a look and see. This is the walk-in from the car park. Level area, easy to walk through. Easy enough to walk in. Any age fitness level can do it. So 700 metres in, 700 metres back. Temperature drops by, you know, a good couple of degrees because we're in a rainforest. But that's Stephenson's Falls, Marysville. And we're in Hillsville, which is 20 kilometres the other side. And that's where we're going to be grafting vineyards again for 2 weeks, till the 7th. And possibly moving into South Australia after that. Thinking of everything before Christmas. Here's the falls, Stevenson's Falls. It's going to be loud, so I'm just going to let the falls do its thing and I won't try speaking over it. .840 metre drop.